Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see what is a linear equation in one variable and how to solve them. So we will solve few simple questions on linear equations in one variable. So before starting the video, let's see what is a linear equation. Just a brief introduction. As you can see, I've written few equations. Linear means degree is 1, means highest power of the variable in the equation is 1. Variable means, now this is an equation, these numbers are called numerals, and जो letters होता है, whatever letters you have in the equation, those letters are called variable, or they are also called literals. So they are called variables. Letters in the equation are called variables or literals. Okay, so here first equation, if we see x plus 3 equal to 5. Now x, what is the power of x here? It is 1. So this is a linear equation. This is linear. Linear means degree 1. So, and power of x here is 1, or degree is 1. So this is a linear equation in one variable. Only one variable is there, x is there. These are numerals, numbers. So this is the only variable. So this is a linear equation in one variable. Y minus 5 equal to 11. Again, here variable is y and its degree is 1. So highest power of the variable, if it is 1, then that is called linear equation. If highest power of the variable is 2, then that is called quadratic. If the highest power is 3, then that is called cubic. So in 7th standard, you just have to do linear equation, means power of the variable is 1. You can also have linear equation in two variables, but to solve linear equation in two variables, you need two different equations, which is called simultaneous linear equations, and which you will be doing in 9th standard. So right now, you just have to do linear equation in one variable. Now coming to third equation, 3x equal to 21. Here again only one variable x is there and power of x is 1. So this is a linear equation in one variable. In this equation, y by 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Again these are numbers and y is the only variable. You can have any letters as variables, x, y, z, any letters you can have as variable. So this is a linear equation in y. Again here this is a linear equation in x, because power of x here is 1, here also 1. So highest power of the variable is 1. So this is again a linear equation in one variable. So one variable means only one एक ही variable होता है, and linear means power of that variable should be 1. Okay, so it should be a equation of degree 1. So these are all linear equations in one variable. Okay, so I hope you understood the definition of linear equations. Now we will see how to solve simple linear equations in one variable. Now before solving, one more important concept. Now this is an equation. So LHS, that is left hand side, should always be equal to the right hand side. Left hand side should always be equal to the right hand side. Means if we add any number to LHS, it should be same number should be added to RHS. If we subtract any number in LHS, same number should be subtracted in RHS also. Same way for multiplication and division. If we multiply LHS of this equation by any number, we have to multiply the RHS of the equation by the same number. Same way, if we divide LHS of the equation by any number, same thing has to be done in RHS also. So LHS में जो भी करेंगे, RHS में भी वही करना पड़ेगा, so that equation remains balanced. That is, LHS is always equal to RHS. So same number can be added or subtracted on both sides. Same number can be multiplied or divided on both sides of the equation. So this concept actually is used for solving the equation. Let me explain this by an example. Now here first equation is x plus 3 equal to 5. X plus 3 equal to 5. Now we have to find the value of x. That means we need to eliminate this 3. 3 को निकालना पड़ेगा. Now in LHS we have plus 3. To get rid of this plus 3, we have to subtract minus 3, because you know plus 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, so same number added and subtracted, it is 0. So what here plus 3, we have to get rid of this plus 3. So x plus 3, now we will add minus 3 to LHS. Now since we are adding minus 3, we have to do the same thing on RHS. Otherwise ये equation का value change हो जाएगा. So we have to, whatever we do to LHS, same thing has to be done on RHS also. So x plus 3 minus 3 को LHS में subtract किया, so minus 3 को RHS में भी subtract करेंगे. So we have x equal to, now this plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled, so we have x equal to 5 minus 3 2. Now x equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. To verify LHS we have x plus 3, यहाँ पे x का value 2 डालेंगे, so 2 plus 3 we get 5, and RHS also we have 5, so LHS is equal to RHS, so answer is right. Same way, second equation if we see, y minus 5 equal to 11, y minus 5 equal to 11. Now here we want the value of y, so यहाँ पे क्या है minus 5. To get rid of this minus 5 को निकालना है, we have to add 5. So what we will do, y minus 5 plus 5 LHS में add करेंगे. So plus 5 LHS में add किया है, we have to do the same thing on RHS. Now this minus 5 plus 5 gets cancelled, so y is equal to 11 plus 5, 16 is the answer. So same way for multiplication and division also. If we multiply LHS by any number, we have to multiply RHS also by the same number, and same is true for division also. Okay, but we don't have to write so many steps. We will solve the equation by transposing. Like we have x plus 3 equal to 5. We have written this step. We are subtracting minus 3 on both sides. So what we can do is, we have x plus 3 equal to 5. Okay, now what we'll do, we will take this 3 on this side. Now when we are, this is called transposing. So when we are shifting any term from LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS, sign of that particular number will change. So here we want to find x, so x equal to, now in RHS we have 5, write that 5. This 3 we will shift to RHS. So plus 3 becomes minus 3. Plus 3 becomes minus 3. So we have x equal to 2, which is the answer. So directly we will solve the equation by transposing. Transposing means shifting a term, shifting a number from LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS. But when we transpose any number or any variable from LHS to RHS, its sign will change. Plus है तो minus हो जाएगा, minus है तो plus हो जाएगा. If it is multiplication, it will get divided, and if it is division, it will get multiplied. Okay, so let's solve few examples so the concept will be more clear to you. Now let's see how to solve this equation. We have x plus 9 equal to 13. X is the variable here. It is a linear equation in one variable. We have to find the value of x. Now we will solve this equation by transposition, means shifting the term from LHS to RHS. Now here we have to find the value of x. X equal to, now equal to डाल दिया, we are writing RHS. So first RHS, whatever number we have to write that first and bring this extra number to RHS. Now here it is plus 9. When it comes to RHS, it becomes minus 9. So this you have to remember, when a term is shifted from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, its sign will change. So x equal to 13 minus 9, which is 4. Okay, so actually what we are doing is, we have to get rid of this plus 9. So what we are doing, x plus 9, to get rid of this plus 9, we are subtracting 9 on both sides. So RHS 13, we have to subtract 9 because we have subtracted 9 on LHS. Now this plus 9 minus 9 gets cancelled. So x equal to 13 minus 9, 4. Okay, so whenever we add and subtract, anyways these terms will get cancelled, so we don't have to show this step. We can directly solve the equation by transposing, that is x equal to 13 minus 9, so which is 4. Second equation, x minus 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. Again x equal to 2 by 3 we have here. when you are writing RHS, whatever number or term, if whatever is there in RHS, we have to write that first, then transpose the term from the other side. Now minus 1 by 3 comes here, it becomes plus 1 by 3. So we have x equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Denominator is same, so we can directly add the numerator. 2 plus 1, 3. Write the denominator as it is. So 1. So x equal to 1 is the solution of this linear equation. If you want to check your answer, in LHS we have x minus 1 by 3. Substitute the value of x here, 1. So LHS will be 1 minus 1 by 3. What is 1 minus 1 by 3? Cross multiply 3 into 1, 3 minus 1. It is 2 by 3, and which is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So the answer is right. So we can also check the answer. Third equation. Now this is an equation in y. We have to find the value of y. So 4y we will keep here equal to minus 5, and this 7 will be shifted to this side. Now here it is plus 7. When it comes to RHS, it will be minus 7. So we have 4y equal to minus 5 minus 7. It is minus 12. Okay, दोनों भी negative integers, then we have to add the integers and sign will be minus. Now we have to find the value of y. Now 4y means what? It is 4 into y. So into, so when this 4 comes here, it will get divided. So from here y will be minus 12. This 4 is 4 into, so it will get divided. 4 ऊपर है तो वो नीचे आ जाएगा. ठीक है, so minus 12 by 4, and which is minus 3. In other words, I'll explain this. 4y is minus 12. So to get rid, we want only y. We have to get rid of this 4. So what we have to do, it is 4y. So we have to divide both sides by 4. So since LHS में हम लोग divide कर रहे हैं, we have to divide the RHS also by 4. Okay, now this 4 will get eliminated. So y will be minus 12 by 4 minus 3. So what we are doing, we are dividing both sides by 4. So in short, 4y, it is multiplication, and when we are shifting this 4 here, it will get divided. So y is minus 12 by 4 minus 3. Okay. Next question, x by 4 equal to 7 by 8. Now this x, we want x. So we will keep x in LHS. This 4 we will shift to RHS. Now RHS we have 7 by 8. This is upon 4. Now with this 4, when it comes to RHS, it will get multiplied. नीचे है तो वो number ऊपर रहेगा, ऊपर है तो नीचे रहेगा. So 7 by 8, this 4 gets multiplied. So 7 by 8 into 4. Now solve this fraction. 8, this is 1 4s are, 2 4s are. So the final answer is 7 by 2. Okay. And then you have to convert this in mixed fraction. Don't leave your answer in improper fraction. So this is 3 1 by 2. Okay, next question. Now here one method is open this bracket. So you have to use distributive property. A into b plus c is a into b plus a into c. 3 को x से भी multiply करना है, 3 को 2 से भी multiply करना है. So 3 into x 3x, 3 into 2 6 equal to 50. Now first 3x, जो भी x वाला term है इसको LHS में रखेंगे. And we will shift 6 here. So RHS we have 15 plus 6 comes here. So it becomes minus 6. So 3x equal to 15 minus 6 is 9. Now we will get rid of this 3. So 3x. 3x means 3 into x. So we have to divide both sides by 3. So x will be 3 comes here. So 9 divided by 3. So x equal to 3. So we have opened the bracket. Then first keep this here, shift this number to this side. That means combine the like terms. ये numbers को subtract कर सकते हैं. So we can only add or subtract the like terms. So we have shifted 6 to RHS. 15 minus 6 is 9. So x will be 9 and 3 comes down. So 9 by 3, 3. Another method of solving the same question is we can keep x plus 2 here equal to, this is 3 into x plus 2. If no sign is there, that means it is multiplication. So 3 into, so we have to shift this 3 here. So x plus 2 will be 15 into, so when this 3 comes here, it will be upon 3. So we have x plus 2 equal to 5. This is a easy method, so we can also solve this by this method. So x plus 2 जो भी x वाला term है, x plus 2 is one term, so keep this here, equal to 15. This 3 comes to RHS. 3 into means when it is shifted to RHS, it will get divided. So x plus 2 equal to 15 by 3, it is 5. So x plus 2 is 5. So x will be 5 and then plus 2 को यहाँ पे shift करेंगे minus 2. So x equal to 3. Okay, so without opening the bracket, we can solve this equation. Again, ये वाला question भी similar. I'll show you this method of solving. Now we will keep this term here, x plus 6. This is together, this cannot be separated. This is a binomial. Equal to 24. Now ये 3 into है, so multiplication है. So LHS में, sorry, RHS में आएगा तो upon 3 हो जाएगा, 24 by 3. So we have x plus 6 equal to 24 by 3 is 8. Now x will be 8 and plus 6 comes here, it is minus 6. So x equal to 2. Okay, and you can verify the answer by substituting the value of x here, and if LHS is RHS, then your answer is right. So I hope you have understood the concepts. So practice solving these equations, and if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. So that's all in this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.